you guys. So, Dr. Hamid, it is a pleasure to be with you, and really the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you very much for allowing me to talk. Thank you very much, Honorable Moderator, learned other presenter, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon from Bangladesh, and good morning for other part of the world. We are very much thankful to Skillman leader, who is our leader also, Mr. Jivanu Krishna, for organizing this international webinar, and also inviting me to present in this international event. I appreciate the organizer for selecting the theme, and it is very important, redefining the future of learning and skill, where I have to speak on priority challenges on excellence for all. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all. I think you already received my today's presentation slides. Due to time constraint, I will not go to present all these slides. A very few I may discuss in brief. From slides 2 to 6, I have mentioned about the present scenario and reality. The world community must agree that IR4 and COVID-19 have changed the way we work and we live. The 21st century technology innovation will bring a major benefit in the world, and expected to create 3.7 trillion in values to global manufacturing sector. We know in 17 SDGs, the world community agree and declare nobody will left behind, and education for all. But the reality is 2.58 million child still is not going to school. Honorable Moderator, in my slides from 7 to 16, I mentioned about the impact and reality. Number 1, skills for future is still absent. Future jobs will mostly involve science, technology, engineering, math, that is STEM. Future education needs to be STEM focused. The priority challenges for Tibet access in Tibet skill development. Number 2, quality Tibet teachers. Number 3, ICT in teaching learning process. Number 4, online and blended learning and assessment capacity. Number 5, infrastructure and physical facilities. Number 6, updated training materials. Number 7, updated curriculum. Number 8, industry academia collaboration and engagement. Number 9 is financing in Tibet. Number 10 is employment generation and entrepreneurship development. In my slides, from 17 to 20, you can find out the 21st century challenges on excellence for all. The challenges are poor financing, poor infrastructure, and poor governance. Number 2, ecosystem of education. A cultural change is required. Number 3, assessment reporting and performance and impact absent. And number 4 is economic and sound discrimination in rich and poor and learners also. Ladies and gentlemen, in the slides 21 and 23, we can find about the capability approach. Here discussed on 3 domain of Tibet which should be developed. Number 1, the knowledge-based practice. Number 2, the technical-based practice. Number 3 is attributes the person need for that occupation or profession. Honorable moderator, ladies and gentlemen, how we can overcome these challenges? The way forward. The world is moving for adopting IR4, so the education should be similar as much as possible, especially in STEAM education. Number 2, the primary education must be Tibet inclusive in all over the world. Number 3, bring all the years in the secondary level in Tibet. Provide stipend to attract students and graduate and guardians. Additional opportunities for girls to bring them in the Tibet and training center. Creation training opportunity in the industry and workplace. Way forward for quality training, development of quality teachers, development of curriculum required by the industry for their recruitment, regular data collection on the industry skill and requirement by each institute and centrally also. Industry training of Tibet teachers every year, reskilling and upskilling of the teachers in the regular interval. Introduction of ICT enabled teaching, learning provision, including trainers upgradation. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe redefining and redesigning of education and skill is essential for 21st century world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's work together for a beautiful world, a peaceful world. Thank you all. Thank you, Honorable Moderator, and thank you, Skillman Leader.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Hamid, thank you very much for your inspiring presentation.